Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the mouse model and OS version so you know which drivers or utilities to change. Once done, disconnect extra input devices to avoid conflicts, then open Settings or Control Panel to the mouse section and view scroll mappings. Make sure to test the wheel in a text box to see whether it scrolls or changes volume. If it changes volume now, note the app or driver listed, because that tells you whether the change is system level or from a utility. Next, update or reinstall the mouse driver. Go to Device Manager or your vendor installer and choose Update or Uninstall, then Restart. Once restarted, open any vendor utility like Logi Options, Razer Synapse, or similar, because these apps often override OS defaults. In that utility, find wheel assignments and set them to scroll or no action instead of volume or media control. Make sure changes apply to the correct device profile and test the wheel after each change to verify progress. To finish, verify system-level settings and hotkey apps. Accessibility features or background utilities can intercept the wheel and map it to volume. If you still see volume changes, perform a clean boot or start in safe mode to isolate third-party interference, because that separates OS behavior from extra apps. If the wheel works in safe mode, uninstall recent utilities one by one. If not, roll back the driver to a previous version and gather logs. Then contact vendor support with model and steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.